What's up, y'all? It is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. I'm going to be talking today about how I deal with lowball offers, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining. If you are new here, I am a reseller. I also have a degree in mathematics and focus this channel and my Instagram on data analytics for the reseller. I sell 2 analytical dashboards for the resellers to help you look at your data, hit your monetary goals, and source smarter and not harder. It's copying and pasting, and all the data populates so that it's easy for you to quickly look at your data and figure out what is working for you. Links for all of that is down below. I am currently running a special for spring. You can use the code SPRING for 50% off. If you are an influencer, and essentially that means if you have an Instagram or a YouTube channel, you don't have to have hundreds of thousands of followers. But if you're interested in the dashboard, send me a DM and we will talk about the influencer programs, promos that I have going on. Make sure to subscribe if you like this content. Hit the little bell so that you get notified when new things come out. I also do a lot of live videos with other resellers because I think we can learn so much from each other in just having conversations. And I think everybody has something to share, even if they don't have a YouTube channel. It's not always big YouTubers or big social media people that I have on my channel, because just because you spend the time on YouTube does not necessarily mean that you have all the things to share. And just because you don't spend your time on YouTube doesn't mean that you don't have valuable information. So make sure to hit the subscribe and notifications for that. Give me a thumbs up on your way out. I always enjoy reading comments about what you guys do on video, what you guys do on the content of videos that I'm talking about, how your day is going, or just, hey Sarah, I really enjoyed this content, so I know what kind of content to use moving forward. Leave your Poshmark closet down below for some share love from me and then from other people, so everybody knows what or so other people can share as well. If you are doing mystery, or not even mystery, but if you're doing reseller boxes right now, definitely leave your closet down below so others can see where to be sourcing inventory right now. I had a lot of success in my last video of people making connections for buying and selling inventory. It's working for everybody as well. I first want to check in and see how everybody is doing. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself during this time. You don't have to be productive during this time. It is a hard time for everybody. Do what is making you happy and what is making you sane. You notice that I'm in my workout gear because I am trying to get in daily exercise. It really does help my mood and my demeanor while we're staying in, and especially getting out. We went out today. So today I want to talk about offer to likes and offers, so eBay and Poshmark, and how I handle lowball offers. And everybody's going to have a different strategy, so I want to hear yours as well. I handle low offers by doing nothing. I will say I counter a lowball offer probably 5% of the time. And here's my reasoning for it. There's a couple of reasons. One, I am not in the business of hoarding. I am not trying to keep my inventory. Even lowball offers, I am still making a profit on them. And I take it as, if I'm getting offered low, I mean, sometimes there's low offers and those are like the ridiculous low offers that I will counter. But most low offers, that's the market value, especially if something, so you've probably heard me say this before. There's times when I'm like, this is worth more, this is worth more. And then after 2 or 3 of the same offer or around the same price point, that is the market value. What people are offering you is the market value. And what you have to understand is not everybody who is selling online is doing it as a full-time reseller. People are doing it to get stuff out of their closet, and they are willing to take... That's my kid. I'm also a mom of 3, so you may hear them in and about, or I may have to cancel to take care of them. But not everybody selling is doing it as a full-time reseller, and that is the market you are selling in. You may think that it's worth more, but what it's worth is what people are willing to pay for it. So that is the first reason that I don't do a whole lot for low offers. Second reason I don't do anything is because I am in the business of making money, and the majority of the time that I send a counter offer, they ghost, and then I'm not making any money. And so I am in the business of making money. If I send a counter offer, I make $0, where if I accept the offer that is sent to me, I am making some money. and my inventory cost is still low. Yes, it may not be the amount of money that I want to make, but it is some money. The third reason, and this is probably the most important reason to me, is it all balances itself out. So I'm going to share with you my sales from Friday, and I had 4 sales on Poshmark, and I'm going to tell you what I would have accepted and what I actually got, and show you what I actually got. So 3 purses, which is kind of funny, right? 3 purses sold while we're all in self-quarantine. Like, where are you going that you need a purse? But I'll take it. But here's the thing. These things came in. 1 was a full price offer, and 3 out of the 4 were higher offers than I would have actually accepted. And now they don't know that, right? But so taking this first one, this Michael Kors, the bottom Michael Kors tan leather hobo, was a $30 offer on a $90 bag, which most people would be like, oh my God, that's such a low ball offer. And yes, it was a low offer. However, I'd had this item for a while, and if I countered and it ghosted, I would have had nothing. And I had no sales for the day yet. And sales make more sales, right? Once you get that going in the algorithm. And so I accepted it. Yes, I was probably hoping for $50 or $60, but I could have kept it and not made any money. So once that came in, then I got an offer on these boots. They were listed for like $43. And so I got an offer for $3 less than they were listed. I probably would have taken, I was anticipating closer to $30. So here I'm making $10 more than I was anticipating. And then you go up to the vintage Dooney and Burke. This was a very reasonable offer. I think only maybe $10 off of the listing price as well. Much higher than I was willing to, than I was thinking that I would be able to get out of it. So now I've had 2 offers that are higher than I would have accepted, or I was thinking that I was going to make. And then this Michael Kors satchel purse, the gray one, is right around what I was thinking I was going to make. I was thinking it would be right around $50. So yes, I accepted that 1 lowball offer, but it also allowed me and pushed the algorithm to get me 3 more sales. So now I'm making all of that money for the day. And 2 of those sales came in much higher than I was anticipating. So it kind of all leveled out, and I actually ended up making more money. That is my strategy. I know a lot of people do counters and they do well with it, but I am in the business of making money. I am not in the business of hoarding items. And all of those were a good profit. All of those were in my average sale price that I am comfortable with. And the first one was the low ball, and it got sales going. So that is my take on how I deal with low ball offers. Leave your notes down below and let me know what you guys do.